Hey guys, so if you're new here, my name is Jolene. I live in my Subaru Forester in that rooftop tent that's not open at the moment with my dog full-time, and basically we are just camping every day. So I got a new, to me, camp shower, and we're gonna give it a whirl and see if it works for washing my hair. So obviously washing the body will be fine and easy, but my hair, is a different story. So obviously it's been bleached, so it's a little bit damaged from that. The ends are pretty ratty. I need a haircut. Obviously this is not great. And because I have fine hair, I have a lot of fine hair, and it is textured, it does tangle super easy. So shampooing usually ends up in a rat nest, and it's just a whole production. So we will see if I can get enough water pressure from this camp shower to rinse everything out of my hair, and see if it actually is worth the money. So here we go. So I'm gonna start out with my hair separated. I think it might be a little less tangly if I do one side at a time. So we will see. Here is, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Here is the nozzle for it. It's like your basic kitchen sink nozzle, and I have pumped up the pressure. I will show this in a moment. So it's not a lot of pressure, so we'll see what happens. Gotta pump it again and add more pressure. So far so good. It's wetting my hair pretty well. And actually, since that worked so well, we are just going to wet the other side right now as well. Alright, so pump that up. So I'm using this high bar shampoo and conditioner. It doesn't have any plastic, which is great, and it is safe to use outside. So I'm not a huge fan of shampoo bars, just because of my hair. It doesn't always work out really great for me, but I've been using this one for my last few, I guess I could have just started on this side, hair washings, and it seems to be working alright. This is actually my first time using it while camping though. So far I've only used it in real showers. Don't love that doesn't really lather. It will lather at some point, but initially it's a little hard. Maybe I'm doing it wrong? I don't know. I've never really extensively used solid shampoo, so there's a very good possibility that I don't know what I'm doing with it. Who knows, this might end up terrible and not rinse out of my hair, and I'll be stuck with gross, greasy hair for a bit. Side note, this water is not exactly warm, and the air is not exactly warm either. Maybe I need to like pre-lather the shampoo bar or something? I feel like the second side went on better than the first, but what do I know? Alright, so the conditioner, I think this actually worked out much better, separating my hair into two halves. Seems a lot more manageable and less tangly, but we will see for sure in a few minutes here. also seems like the conditioner bar runs out faster than the shampoo. Perhaps because I'm doing it wrong and I should be using more shampoo, but as you saw, it's kind of a pain in the ass. All right, moment of truth. Now I'm going to put in leave-in conditioner because otherwise I will never be able to comb my hair out. Alright, that seems to have worked out pretty well. I'm going to finish rinsing off and then put on some warm pajamas and get in bed. Alright, I am changed, dry, got my hair plopping, and I figured I would show you the shower that I'm using as well as the shampoo and conditioner I'm using if you're interested. So, here we go. So this is the camp shower that I'm using, the Nemo Helio LX pressure shower. Basically this little bladder, you press it with your foot, it builds up pressure. You can see this is really tight, like a balloon. Builds up pressure in there, and then the little nozzle is obviously how the water comes out. I think new, they're like $150, $160, something like that, so they're not cheap. But I got this one at the REI garage sale. It was 50% off because somehow the previous owner lost the O-ring that goes in the nozzle, so it was leaking. It was a 10-cent O-ring that I just replaced, so I got it for $70. And so far I'm pretty happy with it. So these are the shampoo and conditioner bars that I'm using. They're also from REI or Amazon, probably a couple other places. You can see the shampoo is kind of an orange, and then the conditioner is more of a yellow. I'm not entirely sure how you're supposed to store these. They came on this little like parchment paper inside the box, so I've just been kind of putting them back in there. I don't know if there's a better way to store them, probably, but I am just unaware of it. So if anybody has any recommendations on that, let me know, but that's what they are. Okay, so my hair is mostly dry, still a little damp up by the roots, but I think it all rinsed out pretty well. I don't feel any obviously greasy spots where I got shampoo still in there, so that's good. All in all, using that shower took me about 15 minutes to wash my hair, which I think is pretty good, considering the pain in the ass that it normally is to wash my hair, even in a regular shower. So, feel pretty good about it. So far, highly recommend.